on your screen, man?
Nothing. I don't know what you're talking about. All right, so what we've got is this first example. We're talking with absolute values. So we've got evaluate the absolute value of 4. So once again, like I said, how far away is that from 0 is basically what it's asking. Yeah, answer is 4. Yeah, it is. Now, next one says absolute value of -3. Once again, how far away from 0 are we? We are. If you pictured yourself on the number line at that spot, how many steps would you have to take to get to 0? That's it. That's your answer. That make sense? Cool. All right. Now, here are some properties of absolute values, and I'm not going to show you them other than the fact that you're just looking at them right now. We will, when we're doing them, you'll come across them. They look a lot more confusing than they actually are when you do it because they become logical. Cool?
That is complicated.
Oh, it looks complicated. Sorry? Yes. There is a but in there. Okay? So we'll have a look at that. So here you go. We have to evaluate. Yeah. Oh, no, don't tell me the answer yet. We have to evaluate 2 minus -1 plus -3 squared. But remember, there's absolute values. Because I'm an idiot.
So you were meant to say
No,
negative.
probably. Negative is actually better to say. I should have said 2 minus -1 plus -3 squared. That's how I should say it. I just get lazy. All right, so question is, what would you do first on this, or how would you do this?
2 plus 1.
Yeah, 2 plus 1.
Do the absolute values first.
Plus -3.
Okay? Like, treat these kind of like grouping symbols in a way. If there was stuff to do inside them, do it first, but then do the absolute value. So what's the absolute value of 2? 2. Minus, what's the absolute value of 1? 1. Okay? So what I'm doing? So it's not like 2 negatives make a positive, because you've got to do that absolute value bit first. Okay? Then we've got the plus, and we've got, what's the absolute value of -3? 3 squared, which is 9. So you've got 2 minus 1 is, oh my lord, 1 plus 9 is 10. No, because it's not actually a bracket, it's an absolute value. So you've got to do the absolute value first. 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 9.
2 minus 1 is 2. 1.
Yeah, 2 minus 1 is 1.
Plus 3 squared. Oh, yeah.
Okay, there we go. All right, now this next one. Show that absolute value of a plus b is less than or equal to absolute value of a plus the absolute value of b when a equals -2 and b equals 3. Sorry, -2? Yes. Yep. Substitute in is what you're trying to say. Yeah, awesome. So you substitute it in, you've now got numbers in there, it's pretty easy. But like I said, do the stuff in the brackets first, or in the absolute values first. Okay? Evaluate that first. So -2 plus 3 is? Okay. So that's the absolute value of 1. It's the absolute value of 1. And I'll just leave those as they were, because I didn't have to evaluate anything in there, and now I'll work them out. So what's my absolute value of 1? 1. What's the absolute value of -2? 2. What's the absolute value of 3? Is 1 less than or equal to 5?
Is that 1 in that first one?
Yep, that's why I did that stupid looking one. Because otherwise someone goes, is that 11? We're dealing with absolute values. It's very difficult. All right, is everyone happy with that?
Yeah.
Not yet, not yet.
Oh, lordy. Okay, I want to move on. Well, we've got to get this one done. I want to get this one done. So, This one says write expressions. Gabby.
It's negative and then in brackets 2x.
Right.
I don't remember how to do that.
Okay. We've got a couple of things here. So 2x minus 4, absolute value of, equals 2x minus 4. When?
Yes.
When 2x minus 4 is greater than 0. Wait, don't move. Let me do this. We're not going to finish it, you're going to finish it, but I want to get this bit done. And absolute value of 2x minus 4 equals minus. Okay, that's the start of the answer to that question. Okay, you got two situations. I want you to try and finish that. No, not now. Not now. When you go home. All right.